Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on a 2005 Dodge Dakota. Now, before we get started, this is a real quick repair, easy to do. One of the reasons or many of the reasons that you would want to replace this, most likely you'd get a code, a P0335 code on your OBD2 diagnostic sensor. That's probably what you would see, but typically some of the issues you'd have if your crankshaft sensor was going bad is you might have trouble starting your car, or it might be stalling when you're driving it kind of intermittently. Generally, almost always, it causes the check engine light to come on, and then if you go take your car to have the code read, or you read it yourself, you're going to get the P0335. That's the typical problems you're going to see. Misfires, acceleration issues, stuff like that. But almost always, when it fails, you're going to get the 335 code. So let's get to installing it. Let me show you how easy it is to replace. All right, let's get to removing it. So you'll see we're coming in from the passenger side. And once we get underneath the vehicle, you're going to see that the crank position sensor is almost directly underneath where the passenger tire is on the front. So you'll see here's the shock. If we move toward the middle of the car from that side, here's the crank position sensor. And I know it's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but let me circle it for you. So it's right here. It's got one 10 millimeter bolt holding it up at the top left, and then just an electrical connector you need to remove. So here's a different angle. So first thing I'm going to do is just a regular electrical clip. You just have to squeeze it and pop it off. If you have any trouble, you may need a little flat screwdriver to pry down the clip, but it's like all the other electrical connectors on your vehicle. And then it's a 10 millimeter socket to remove the bolt. It's just a single bolt. And once you get the bolt off, you can either try to wiggle it out with your hand, or if it's really stuck, you may need to get a flat screwdriver in there and kind of pry it out. And here's what the whole sensor looks like, just so you have something to know what you're kind of removing from the car. And that's about it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.